The city never sleeps. Its streets are alive with noise, speed and ambition. Every day feels like a race against time. But in the village, the morning rises with birdsong, footsteps on the soft earth, and the quiet rhythm of nature. Life here is slower, yet full of meaning. Two different worlds, each with its own beauty, each teaching us something about the way we live. Tag along, fam, let's explore together.